Guys, so I just got delivered a huge FedEx box and it's way heavier. Like, I can't even hold it up. It's so heavy. But I'm so excited to show you guys what it is. So today in the mail I got, okay, so they came in a stack of bubble wrap, and what's really cool about it is they have this protective backing so you can peel off when you're ready to assemble them. These are so gorgeous, but they're so heavy. Oh my. Okay, so this is what they look like. I have to be gentle with them. But they are gold foil acrylic. I've been pinning this invite on my Pinterest for years, so now that I actually have it in my hands, guys, this is my wedding invite. I can't believe it. This is so cool, and it's like, it has gold, and it's beautifully acrylic. I love them. My wedding invites, my dream wedding invites. I can't believe I'm even saying that.